and we're gonna search for the grinding noise. Hopefully that's not gonna go through the floor. Oh shit. Fucking hell, guys. Honda, innit? And there's no marks all over that dust cover. It's not rubbing on the car, that's a different noise. And the rear one is shit.
What?
Hello everyone. So today's mission is gonna be to lift up the Honda and see what's making this noise. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift it up, put the wheels with tires underneath it, so we've got both wheels in the air, and we're gonna search for the grinding noise. Hopefully that's not gonna go through the floor.
What?
Because that shouldn't go in there, but if I want to lift the whole side up, I have to go somewhere in the middle, don't I?
That is correct.
Fucking hell, we're just gonna turn it on its side in a minute. Let's get some gloves and have some fun. So we're gonna push these two in there nicely. Is that sort of in the middle? Yeah. We're gonna leave the jack over there anyway. I've released the handbrake. There we go. That one doesn't sound too bad. Oh, it's clean. And look how well it rotates. And the rear one is shit. See, it just stops. And the handbrake is fully released. And what the fuck is making these noises?
Good question.
Okay, let's take the wheel off and have a look inside. I can put you guys over here. Can't even check how much brake pad I've got on the other side because I know this side is really thin. Fucking hell, guys. So what, should we remove the brake caliper to see what the brake pad looks like? I am guessing so. Oh, that's gonna be a nightmare because that's not gonna... Don't really have big edge over here. But I'm guessing the issue is gonna be end of the brake pad. If you look, there's literally no brake pad left.
What?
Oh, it's a little bit, but then the question is, what's the other side look like? Because sometimes they wear uneven. But actually, you know, guys, before we remove that brake caliper, we're gonna remove this wheel and see maybe the dust cover is loose. Because that's what it behaves like. Because it doesn't make any noises when I'm driving, braking and stuff like that. It's just every so often when I go over the puddles, potholes and shit like that. And I think I see the issue. That all looks alright as well. Just for a minute, that's slightly like bended towards it, and I thought that might be it, but oh.
Sound familiar?
Yeah, we're just gonna fucking bend that up.
What?
What about the rear one? So let's see what's the rear one like. I already looked at it, but you know what it's like, yeah. It's all solid.
Yeah, right.
Oh shit. Fucking hell, guys. Honda, innit?
Oh, Honda.
Come on.
What?
That is nice, is it? So that could be the issue. Look at that. There is something wrong over here.
Fucked.
And the problem is I don't know whether that's the front or rear wheel. Because it doesn't do the noise as you've seen. It doesn't make the noise all the time. It just on off for no reason. There you go. There you go, again. Haven't been using brakes or anything. It does engage more after driving through the potholes, but it's just going on for a second and then off. Alright, what I'm gonna do, there's nothing I'm gonna do.
What?
Because taking the bloody caliper out, where I know it's not gonna be the pads, because the pad would make constant noise, especially when braking. So it's not the pad. The front brakes are new, well, about years old, so did about 3,000–4,000 miles. So yeah, they're less than a year. We've got no moving parts over here. Well, no loose parts, you know, stuff that moves that shouldn't move. Let's see this one. Yeah, I didn't see it. I didn't see any issues with the brakes anyway. There's nothing sticky. It's not rubbing on the car, that's a different noise. So, as would the mechanics say, I'm sorry, but unfortunately we were unable to find any issues with your braking system. So yeah, just keep on driving and keep your eye on it. And yeah, that's it. Well, there's nothing there that's rubbing against each other. Because I thought, yeah, that's gonna be loose. You know, you drive on the pothole, it just touches it, and because that's the noise. But then I just did that for a second, and it already left the marks on it. And there's no marks all over that dust cover. It's not even loose. It's not like it's bloody all over the place. It is fitted properly. It can't be the brakes, because I would hear that noise when I'm braking, you know. So fuck it, we're just gonna leave it as it is for now. We're gonna keep on driving and keep an eye on it and see if we can find anything. Alright guys, mission failed. It's not always as quick and easy as we think it would be. Let me know in the comments what that could be, that grinding noise. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep on driving and see what happens. And I guess I see you guys next time. Leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comment what that could be, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
What?